I'm going to show you how to style your bone straight hair. Taking this hair from this wavy style you're seeing right now to this bone straight hair you're seeing here. Yes, it's the same hair. To start out, I'm going to start by spraying the hair with my heat protectant spray. This wig is, it's all, I don't say it's very clean, but it's not gotten to the extent of me needing to wash it. That's the reason why I just sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I'm using my blow dryer now to just brush through the hair while I'm using my hairbrush. So using my hairbrush, I'm brushing through the hair and using the blow dryer to blow dry the hair. Then I pinned down the wig with my T-pin because it was moving around on the mannequin stand, and then I continued the process of blow drying the hair by just using the brush to brush through the hair while I use the blow dryer to apply heat on the hair to sort of detangle it, get the hair to be a little bit more free, get the curls to drop faster before I then proceed to the next step, which is going to be straightening the hair. So after I finish blow drying the hair, what I'm going to do next is to section off the up part of this hair. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. And if you haven't purchased our ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, the links are in the description box. Even the paperback book of how to start your hair business is also in the description box. After sectioning off the upper part of the hair, I clipped it away and I proceeded to blow dry the bottom part of the hair with my hand dryer while I use my hairbrush to brush through the hair. After I'm pleased with how detangled the hair is and I feel like it's smooth and it's ready for the straightening, I would stop the process of the blow drying. Next, I'm going to apply my hair serum, and I'm using the Ludia's hair serum. Normally I would use my Mamiya Organics, but I decided to use the Ludia's in this video. So after I applied the hair serum to this large section of hair and I made sure that I applied it really on the tip, I went back to my heat protectant spray from Delofil and sprayed it all over that section of hair. Then what I'm going to do now is to cut out the part of that hair because it's really big. When I cut out the part of the hair, I'm going to twist it and clip it away to allow me to start straightening the hair in really small sections so that I can achieve the straightest hair possible. So I'm just going to clip this away on top and then start with styling this small section of hair that I have right here. So I sprayed my heat protectant spray, I combed through the hair, and what I'm going to do now is take one small section of the hair and use my Cloud9 hair straightener on the highest heat, which is 230 degrees Celsius, to straighten this hair because this hair is human hair. I bought this hair as bone straight hair, but I can still style it as body wave, and I've been wearing it as a body wave wig. So I said that I wanted to style it as a straight wig because when it's straight, it's going to be it's going to require less maintenance, because most times when I wear this wig, I sort of pin it on top. So if it's straight, it's going to require less recoiling. That's the reason why I said let's just revert it back to how it originally was, which is as a straight hair. So taking the hair in really small sections, I comb through the hair and I straighten the hair until I'm pleased with how straight the hair looks. And after I'm done with one section of the hair, I go back to the other parts that I had clipped on top and I take a small section of the hair from there. I clip the rest away and I get back to straightening this small section of hair that I brought out right here. And to start straightening it, I first comb through the hair to ensure that I've completely detangled the hair, and I start straightening the hair from the top all the way to the tip of the hair while I comb through it to ensure that it's really well straightened. And after I finished that section of the hair, I go back to take the hair left at the up part, I clip the rest of the hair away, and I start working on straightening this section of the hair. So after straightening this particular section, I'm pleased with how it is. I straighten the other side and I sort of do like a general straightening to ensure that everything is well straightened and it all blends well together. There are no bumps anywhere. Then I go back to the other section that I haven't straightened and keep on taking more of the hairs there and working in small sections to ensure that I achieve the straightest hair that I desire to have. It's a very repetitive process, but you need to be patient when you're straightening your hair. You need to ensure that you use the appropriate product, which is your hair serum, your heat protectant spray. Get yourself a hair straightener that gets really hot, at least a 220 degrees Celsius hair straightener, but the one I'm using in this video is actually 230 degrees Celsius hair straightener. So just get yourself a good hair tool and you would be able to straighten your hair to achieve the straightest look that you desire to achieve. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on straightening it until I've completely straightened the bottom part of this wig, and then when I've completed the straightening process of the bottom part of the wig, I will then proceed to styling the upper parts of the wig and take it all the way to the closure area. If you're watching this video so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you like this video and share it with someone who is also going to get value out of it. If you're not subscribed to our channel on YouTube, please click on the subscribe button. Follow on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Linda Izemidolu. I'm also on TikTok, Linda Izemidolu. The links to purchase the ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook and hair extensions and how to test its quality, those ebooks are in the description box. So I reapplied my hair serum on this section of hair that I've completely straightened, just to ensure that it's well moisturized, especially when it comes towards the tip of the hair, which is more prone to getting dry and breaking off. So I applied more of the serum at the tips of the hair. Then I just went back in with that hair straightener to just like a general straightening to ensure that the hair looks as nice as I want it to look. Yeah. So now I'm working on the closure area, and what I'm doing is just to comb through the hair around the closure area to ensure that it's well detangled. Then what I'm going to do next is start taking out small sections of the hair around the closure area, and when I take out the small section, I would then proceed to start straightening it. I clip the other part of the hair that I won't be working on right now away. Then I'm going to start straightening this part right here, straighten it until I'm pleased with how straight it is. And I'm gonna go back to the other large section that I clipped away and take more of the hair from there and keep on straightening it until I have gotten to where the pattern is. This wig is styled to be a middle part, so I'll keep on straightening on this side until I've gotten to where the middle part is at, and then I'll proceed to style the rest of the hair on the other side of the closure area until I get to the middle part area for this current section that I'm styling. I hope you understood what I said, but just watch and see exactly what I'm doing. Watch and see. Very simple process. Take your time, be patient, just keep on straightening the hair. Yeah. Yes. So you notice that the front part of this hair is sort of layered, because when you coil your hair and it's layered, it sort of gives you this very framing shape. And I styled the wig to be such that I can wear it as a fringe, I can wear it as a layered middle part wig, I can wear it as a wavy wig, I can wear it as a straight wig. I really love how versatile this particular wig is. Yeah, I think right now it's currently like my go-to wig. It's currently my favorite wig at the moment. So watch me do my routine maintenance for my straight hair, my bone straight wig, which I also wear as a wavy wig. Maybe some other time in the future, I'm going to show you how I style this wig to look wavy. Yes, I'm going to show you how I style this wig to be wavy sometime in the future. Yeah, so now I want to start straightening the other side right here. So you see how I adjust my mannequin stand and just get it to stay fixated at one spot, and then I proceed to comb through the hair, and then I take a small section of the hair and then I start straightening the section that I've brought out here. I use my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair until it's very straight. If there's any part that has been left out, I'm going to get to that section of hair that has been left out and straighten it until I'm pleased with how it looks. Yeah, it's all straightened now. Then go back to the section that I haven't touched and keep on taking smaller sections of the hair and straightening it until I'm pleased with how the rest of the hair looks. Don't forget to shop my ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook, hair extensions and how to test its quality ebooks. The links are in the description box. Yes, the links are in the description box. Make sure you purchase my ebooks. So guys, now I'm done with straightening the hair. I want to just ensure that the closure area, the pattern is clean, and I'm trying to also sort of make the layered part of the wig in front to sort of have a bumped in look. I don't know if you understand what I mean by a bumped in look, but I'm sort of like, you know how you do like a bob. Yes, I'm trying to make the layered part of this look wig to sort of have like a bobbed look, so they sort of, it's why is English hard for me today? So I just use my scissors now to cut out the hairs that are not aligning the way I want it to align, because it's sort of supposed to be like a face framing layer, right? It's supposed to be uniform from the up parts, from the shortest part and go all the way to the longest part. That's the reason why I use the scissors, sort of cut it to go in that direction. Then what I want to do now for the bottom part of this wig is I want to ensure that it's clean, and I sort of trim it at the bottom part, but I'm just applying my hair serum right now on the wig generally, just to give it a little bit of a shine. And what I'm going to do next is to get my scissors and trim the bottom part of this wig to ensure that there's uniformity at the bottom part. There is no stray strands that just makes the hair start to look like it wasn't well done. So I'm just trimming the ends to make it look really well styled and just make the wig look richer. Yeah, make the wig look as rich as it should look, because of course it's quality hair extension. So the way you style your hair matters a whole lot. There are lots of us that sell really quality hair extensions, but our hairs don't really look the way the quality is, probably because we don't know how to style our wigs well. For me, I'm still learning. I haven't even gotten to the level that I even want to get to when it comes to hairstyling, but one step at a time. So this is the finished look of this wig. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like it, share with somebody, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love. I don't know why I was frowning, but I was